Here's how to check if your TV supports 120Hz or 60Hz. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings of your TV or television. Afterwards, once you're already on the settings, you will see the general information or general settings. Now click on that. After clicking the general settings, you will see there the display, TV, and display options. Now, once you see the TV and displays option, what you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the option that says Setup. Under the Setup options, what you need to do is go ahead and click on the 4K TV details. Once you click on the 4K TV details, you will be able to see there all the supporting details of 4K. And as you can see, the TV is not supporting 120 Hz but supports 4K 10-bit at 60 Hz or 60 Hz. So that is how you check if your TV supports 120 Hz or 60 Hz.